Am I the only one that didn't know that Ecuador, with its unique ecosystems ranging from the Amazon rainforest to the Andean mountains and coastal regions, serves as a world barometer for climate change? Its diverse altitudes and habitats make it a critical area for understanding environmental shifts. In Parallel Zero, we'll explore the high Andes at over 20,000 feet, the high-altitude plateau of Quito at over 9,000 feet, the cloud forest at 5,000 feet, and the Amazon rainforest and the Galapagos at sea level, all interacting with each other. Let us start at the top of the ecosystem, with the Andes Mountains. Rising majestically above the clouds, Ecuador's volcanoes represent the backbone of the Cordillera, split into two. Stretching over 4,000 miles along South America's western coast, the Andes are home to some of the most breathtaking landscapes on Earth. In Ecuador, the Andes split into two parallel ranges, both hosting volcanoes, and one creating a high-altitude plateau known as the Avenue of the Volcanoes. Here you'll find towering peaks like Cotopaxi and Chimborazo, the latter being the closest point on Earth to the Sun due to the planet's equatorial bulge. Everest is some 6,800 feet lower if measured from Earth's center. These mountains are more than just a scenic backdrop. They are vital to the region's biodiversity and climate. The Andes influence weather patterns, acting as a barrier that affects rainfall and temperature, thus becoming one of the main driving forces for the Amazon's health. From glacial peaks to fertile valleys, the Andean mountains are a living testament to the power and beauty of nature's forces at work. Amid the bustling streets and historic architecture of Quito, Ecuador's capital city, lies an often overlooked story of urban conservation. Quito, perched high in the Andes at an altitude of 9,350 feet, is a pioneer in integrating nature within urban settings. The city is surrounded by green spaces, parks, and protected areas that serve as urban lungs. One notable effort is the La Carolina Park, a green expanse offering refuge for people and wildlife. At its botanical garden, exotic plants are exhibited as well as cultivated to support local biodiversity. Sustainable practices are promoted. The city has initiatives to reduce carbon emissions and enhance public transportation. Local organizations and citizens are involved in tree planting and cleanup drives, and through these efforts, Quito is becoming a model of urban sustainability. The enchanting Mashpi cloud forest nestled within the lush landscapes of Ecuador. This unique ecosystem shrouded in mist is a haven for biodiversity, boasting species found nowhere else on Earth. The towering trees are draped in mosses and ferns, creating a mesmerizing tapestry of green. Listen closely, and you might hear the calls of the elusive Andean cock of the rock or spot an orange-beaked toucan resting below the canopy. However, this paradise faces its own set of challenges. Climate change and deforestation threaten to disrupt the delicate balance of life here, impacting both the flora and fauna that call this forest home. The well-being of the Amazon, a few thousand feet below, is also intricately tied to the health of the cloud forest. Thus, Ecuador, with its diverse ecosystems ranging from the Amazon rainforest to the Andean highlands, serves as a crucial barometer of climate change around the world. The changes observed here provide valuable insights into global climate patterns, making it an essential location for climate research and conservation efforts. The Grupo Futuro Foundation aims to protect and preserve this magical place for future generations. The Mashpi Cloud Forest serves as a poignant reminder of the beauty and fragility of our natural world. Why are there not more people talking about the Amazon rainforest? Because it seems far and remote. In the Amazon rainforest, rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns are affecting countless species, from the elusive pink dolphin to humans. Climate change has accelerated deforestation rates, leading to habitat loss and a decline in biodiversity. Local communities who rely on the forest for their livelihoods are facing unprecedented challenges as their environment transforms. Additionally, deforestation decreases the forest's ability to capture CO2, contributing to higher global temperatures. I bet you didn't know the Galapagos Islands, renowned for their unique wildlife and landscapes, are facing significant challenges due to climate change. Rising sea levels and ocean acidification are impacting marine life and coastal communities. This delicate ecosystem is under threat, endangering species that are found nowhere else on Earth. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these natural wonders and the livelihoods of those who depend on them. Additionally, the Galapagos are a source of land masses for the planet. 250 million years ago, the Galapagos hotspot gave rise to land that is now part of northwestern USA, British Columbia, and Alaska. This is going to blow your mind. Changes in Ecuador's ecosystems, like deforestation and climate change, have far-reaching effects on global biodiversity, weather patterns, and resource availability. The health of one region influences the well-being of others, including you. Altering ecosystems in Ecuador reflects world climate change and will eventually affect you. Ecuador's ecosystems are sounding the alarm. Immediate global action is needed to protect this natural treasure and our planet. Alexander von Humboldt predicted this over 200 years ago. Everything in nature is interconnected. Join the Parallel Zero movement and protect our planet. Now.